Today is Wednesday, 26th, and I am currently headed back to the salon to return maternity pictures again. Um, you'll see earlier in the video that I was scheduled to do it the day after my birthday, but the photographer had to cancel. I'm doing this right now. But at the salon, I'm just gonna stop and do some of this. Just a break this. Go to the salon. And I'm getting my hair and makeup done. It's 50 degrees. I just have on a maternity tank with some leggings and a jacket from Target. Same get up, different day. But I just wanted to check in, and I will see you guys in a little bit. I'll let you guys see what I look like after, okay? And then I'm gonna try to get some footage while we're doing the pictures. My brother is supposed to be coming to help with Leia, as well as get some behind the scenes footage for me. So.
This is our first child. You know we had a baby last year, or did you not know that? You didn't hear her say we're gonna have another girl.
Bro, I caught it and I was sitting there like, what?
So we had a baby last year.
Another one.
Oh, another. And this one was a surprise. She wasn't a surprise.
For real?
But this one.
I mean, it was a surprise, but like.
This one was a surprise.
Bro,
I was surprised.
Hey guys, so today is Halloween. It's Monday, October 31st, and I am currently trying to clean up a little bit. Listen, y'all, I'm just at a point to where I'm tired. My body is like, I have to take breaks. I have to sit down. My back hurts. My ankles hurt. I'm wearing compression socks. I'm wearing a belly band to kind of help me out. But I'm determined to get things done. I'm still kind of like nesting and trying to wrap up some things that we wanted to do around the house. So today, I'm getting a new refrigerator. So let me tell you, since today we saw this house and we, before we even moved in, I was just like, I want to change the refrigerator. For one, I don't like the side-by-side refrigerators. And two, this one came with the house, which we've been here for over a year now. And it hasn't given us any problems. Like, everything is great. However, it's very like scratched up and dented or whatever. So what I think we're gonna do is just take it and sit it in the garage. We do have a deep freezer that we don't use. And so the refrigerator that I wanted, or the refrigerator that I end up getting, it has the pull out, it's the French door with the pull out freezer, and those don't have a lot of space in it. And when we cook, like for days on end. So we typically have a lot of food. So we'll be utilizing the deep freezer now, especially with the new baby coming. I am gonna attempt to breastfeed again. So we're gonna need, like more freezer space anyways. But so then we'll also have, I guess, like extra space with this refrigerator. So my car is no longer in the garage right now temporarily. I don't think I've officially said it, but we did buy a business. So we are a franchise of a yard sign business. And so we have tons and tons and tons and tons and tons of inventory in half the garage. So hubby moved his car outside and we did half the garage with the signs. Well, we also bought a generator because I live in Texas, and I am in Houston. And so we can have a bad hurricane season. We've had Harvey, we've had the winter storm. So we wanted to get a generator in case we were to lose power. And so we did get a generator, and that's currently also in the garage. So right now my car's not in there. We do plan on restoring the signs. So we're gonna get a shed. Don't know if we're gonna get one built or if we're just gonna buy one to put in the backyard, and that's where we're gonna house the inventory for our business. But that is something that hubby is in charge of. And so I did get my refrigerator, got it from Best Buy, and so hubby is on his way right now to bring it back. So I was cleaning out the refrigerator a bit, getting all the old food out. I did go grocery shopping. Well, I ordered groceries. I haven't been grocery shopping in the store in a while. I ordered my groceries and have them delivered now. So those are already put away. I do want to do some refrigerator organizations. I'm like obsessed watching refrigerator organizations on TikTok and Instagram. But I don't know if I'm going to have the energy to do all of that today. So as of right now, I just wanted to clean out the refrigerator. I still have to do the shelving. So I'm thinking that I'm going to do it once he moves it to the garage, simply because right now, I don't know if you can see what this wall is right here. So it's a little restricted as far as the refrigerator door opening up. So I think I'll have better access, once that goes out there. Then we also have to give time for the refrigerator to cool. So there's that. So yeah, I've just taken out all the old groceries out of the refrigerator. I haven't done the freezer part yet. I washed the dishes. So now I just have to like mop, which I've been wanting to mop for like a week now. Last week
hubby actually did it, so that's why I was wanting to do it, but he did it, so I didn't have to do it. But I want to do a good mop. I'm also waiting for him to come back so that he can pull the refrigerator out, and then I can go ahead and sweep and mop back there as well before the new refrigerator go back in. So I have been watching cleaning videos on Instagram and TikTok, and I've seen some of the little concoctions that they make. So I am gonna do that today when I mop the floor, but I also want to clean my baseboards really good. I know that I physically can't bend down to do it, but I did get, I don't even know the name of the mop, but I did get that little mop where it has like this little microfiber mop thing. So yeah, I did go ahead and get this, and this honestly should help me with cleaning the walls and the baseboards and stuff. So I do plan on doing that. I'm currently boiling some water to go into my mop bucket so that I can take care of that. So yeah, I'm just trying to get some things done around the house. Another thing that we're probably gonna tackle this week is changing out our sink. So our sink was also one of the things that we wanted to change moving in. We also want to change these cabinets. Me personally, I love a good white kitchen. My husband is not a fan, but I don't know if you guys can notice, my cabinets aren't like white. It's kind of like a cream white, and to me that just looks a little dingy and dirty. So we do plan on eventually painting them. He wants matte black cabinets. So our compromise was, I told him if we were to do that, then we would have to change the countertops to like a marble or a quartz, because the current cabinets that we have, I just can't see that going with black. And then we're also going to change the backsplash. But the sink that we have here is really like, this was built, this was put in when the house was built. So it's old, the caulking is starting to come up. The sink part, the little spray part don't work anymore. But I did want a taller faucet for one, and I also wanted a deeper sink. And so we have purchased that. Let me go over here. So this is the sink that we got, and that is the faucet on top. So we do have that going, and that's something that we're gonna do this week. I honestly wanted to hire someone to do it. I already called and got quotes. I feel like it's reasonable. My husband is like, I think I want to try it first, and if we can't do it, then we can do it. So I'm gonna let him try it. I'm not gonna fight him on it. Let him try it. So yeah, that's something else that we should be doing this week. Another thing that I want to do, I don't even know that I'm going to do it before the baby comes, because like I said, I'm getting really tired, and it's just physically like there's a lot that I can't do right now. But I decided that I don't really want a guest room. I did tell y'all we moved during COVID or the pandemic, when the market was crazy. So we didn't get everything that we wanted in a house. Like, I would have prepared to have 4 bedrooms, or at least 3 bedrooms with a study. We only got 3 bedrooms. We literally had to put in 3 or 4 offers at the same time. It was like, whichever house takes us is the house that we're gonna get. And so we ended up with this house, which this was one of the houses that we really liked, because it would need the least amount of work. Not only the least amount of work, this house and another house was really nice. The very first house that we put an offer in on, that was a fixer-upper, but that house was really cheap. But this one is just like little tweaks that we wanted to do or whatever. And so yeah, I have a guest room, but now that I work from home, it's like a guest room / office. And then I'm just really like, we don't have guests often. My mom and my brother comes, and they may sleep in there. But I'm like, we can get a pull-out couch, or we can just get a nice air mattress, when we have guests, I really don't want to designate a room in our house for guests that may come once or twice a year. So, gotta get rid of that bed that we have in there, and I'm probably gonna put like a couch, and we're gonna paint the wall and kind of make it like my office slash, you know, space where I can record and do content and stuff like that. So I'm excited about, you know, tackling that. But again, that's probably not going to happen now. The only thing that I'll probably do now is get rid of the bed. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and get some of this done. I probably won't record me cleaning, but I will check back in once the new refrigerator is here, and I may, you know, check in to do some organization stuff. I don't actually have a lot of organizational things, and I'm really trying hard not to run to Home Goods to get it. But I may run to Amazon, which won't come today. So we shall see. But I'll check back in with you guys later for sure. Okay, guys, I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and drop me a comment down below. I'll see you in the next video.